do. Alright. What's up, man?
From around here?
No, my wife's from around here. I'm just visiting.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You gonna be free this weekend?
I might be. I gotta do some stuff with the fam, but probably maybe Sunday, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. What's you on Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah. You look up it's me Eric B. There, I'm right there.
Oh, there?
No, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. That's you right there, Wesley.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, man. As soon as I see you on there, I'll hit you up. I'll let you know, like, hey, yeah, let's do it, and we can meet, I guess, out here or something somewhere.
Alright, man.
All right, man. Take care. What's up, guys? It's me, Eric B, and I hope you guys were enjoying that. I just wanted to do a video that, you know, was purely, you know, sounds from the RC8. But yeah, guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that. If you guys are liking what you're seeing, be sure to give me a like. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.